I'm going to show you how to list your product on Amazon in just 5 minutes. And to prove it to you, let's start the timer. And the first step is to go to sell.amazon.com, log into your seller account, and then we're going to click on the 3 lines right here. We're going to go to catalog and click on add products. If you're looking to sell a product that already has a listing on Amazon, you're going to search for that product like we did here with athletic greens. You're going to select the condition and click to sell this product. You're then going to have to answer some quick questions like how many you have for sale and your price. Now, however, if you're creating your own Amazon listing, you're going to click on blank form. This is going to allow you to create a new Amazon listing. And after you select blank form, you're going to click start. And the first thing Amazon needs to know is what is the name of your item. For this example, we're going to use my brand new product, Berberine Tea, and the item name that you put here is going to be the title for your Amazon page description. You need to know that Amazon is just a search engine. When customers are looking for a product they want to buy on Amazon, they type in some words into the Amazon search bar and they hope that Amazon is going to give them the perfect results. And what they type into Amazon is called keywords. And if you know what people are typing into Amazon to find your product, you can add that to your product listing and it's going to make it so you get way more sales. And you can use tools like Helium 10 to figure out exactly what people are typing into Amazon. And using the magnet keyword tool, I can see that over 1,000 people per month are searching for Berberine tea. And it also gives us a list of other things they might be searching for, like berberine supplement, and a bunch of other things that we're going to make sure we add into our listing. And since Amazon only knows what your product is about based on the title, we're going to make our title be Berberine tea, berberine supplement, herbal tea for advanced metabolic and immune support, antioxidant rich, all natural ingredients, 14 tea bags. And you can see that I know people are going to type in Berberine tea into Amazon and berberine supplement, so I make sure that I included that in the title. Next up, we're going to select a category for this product, and Amazon will suggest a category for it, but what I recommend doing is looking at your competitors and seeing if there's a better category that you can use. For Berberine tea, we selected grocery and gourmet food, beverages, tea beverages, and fruit and herbal. Next up, Amazon asks if you have any variations, which would mean if you had different flavors or different colors of your item. We are only selling one product, there's only one flavor, so we will not have a variation. After that, we're going to put in the brand name. And for this brand name, we're putting in Berberine tea. Next up is the external product ID. And most people are going to select UPC, which stands for Universal Product Code. And this is the barcode that gets scanned at grocery stores and Walmart. And you can get your own UPC code by going to gs1.org. Once you've filled out this information, click next. And we're up to probably the most important part of the video. And this is where we're going to set our bullet points, our description, and add our photos. I've been selling on Amazon for over 10 years. I've done over $7 million in sales on Amazon. If you're new to the channel, my name is Travis, and I'm going to tell you right now that photos are one of the most important things that you need to add to your listing. And I'll talk later in this video about how to do the perfect photos. Now I'm going to share with you exactly how I figured out what my bullet points description should be, as well as show you the exact photos that I used for my Amazon listing. But before I do that, make sure to smash the like button because I'm sharing all the secrets with you in this video. And these are what my bullet points are. I made sure to include the different keywords that I know people are going to be searching for in Amazon, like Berberine tea and berberine supplement. You're going to type in under bullet points what you want your bullet points to be, then click add more and add up to 5 bullet points. Now I want to show you how to create the images for your Amazon listing. And as I mentioned, this is one of the most important parts of creating a listing on Amazon. But before I do that, if you do need more help creating your listing, I go into way more depth about how to create an Amazon listing in my Amazon FBA program, the Passion Product Formula. There is a link to that down below. And this program comes with weekly Q&A calls, over 100 step-by-step lessons, and it's a much more in-depth program where we really hold your hand and show you how to sell on Amazon. And as I mentioned, if you want more information about that, click on the link in the description. But now let's talk about how to create photos for your Amazon listing. And the first thing that people see when they search for your product on Amazon is your main image. So what I recommend you do is look at your competition, look at the other things that come up when people search for that search phrase. And I saw that the other supplements used boring colors, they were really calm, nothing really stood out. And berberine is naturally a bright orange. So I wanted to make packaging that was bright orange that would stand out so that when people search for berberine tea, they would see our packaging and know that this is the perfect product for them. And to upload your images, you're gonna go to images and you're gonna upload your main image first, as well as all your other side images. And it's very important to upload as many images as possible, showing the benefits of your product. So we uploaded a total of 9 images for Berberine tea. And if you need help creating images, I recommend going with FBAcreatives.com. There is a 50% off coupon code in the description down below. That's who I use and who I recommend. In fact, they can create your entire listing for you, including doing all the keyword research, creating your title, bullet points, all your listing images, everything that you need. You're also gonna wanna add a description for your product, and this is under product description. Same idea, you wanna make sure you include keywords in here and show the benefits of using your product. Now there's just a couple more things that we need to do before our listing is ready to go live. And speaking of that, by the time you watch this video, this product, Berberine Tea, is gonna be live on Amazon. And if you wanna see exactly what my listing looks like, there's a link to the listing down below in the description. And feel free to buy Berberine Tea, to try it out, and to support this channel. But the last step for us to do is to set up some final details. We're gonna fill out who our manufacturer is, which in this case, we're just gonna put Berberine Tea as the manufacturer. It could really be anything. Then we're gonna put the number of items that we have, which is how many units of this item the customer is gonna receive. And they're gonna receive 14 tea bags in this case. Then we'll fill out any special ingredients, which for us, of course, is gonna be berberine. After that, they're gonna ask you about what temperature your product needs to be stored at. And for us, it just can be room temperature, nothing special, as well as is this item heat sensitive, which it's not. And there is a couple other things that we need to fill out that's specific to consumable items, like if there's any allergen information. You'll also wanna add pricing information. And I always recommend selling your product for at least 3 times what it costs you to manufacture so that you can make a profit. And for condition, of course, we're gonna select new. The next step is for you to select whether you're gonna do fulfilled by Amazon or fulfilled by merchant. I always recommend doing FBA, fulfilled by Amazon, because the way this works is you'll send in the products that you wanna sell on Amazon into Amazon's warehouse. And this will make it so that your product is Prime eligible. And when you get an order, Amazon will pick, pack, and ship your product to the customer. This is gonna result in a lot more sales for you because Prime customers prefer to buy Prime products. However, if you want to ship the product out yourself, you can do FBM, which stands for fulfilled by merchant. And this is where you're going to ship the product out yourself every time that you get an order on Amazon's website. The last big thing that I wanted to mention is you want to make sure you add your search terms into the back end. And for us with Berberine Tea, it would be things like Berberine Tea, Berberine Supplement, Berberine Drink, Tea with Berberine, Berberine Wellness, Diabetes Drink, Diabetes Management Drink, Diabetes Tea, and there are a bunch of other things related to that. And boom, just like that, you're going to click on Save and Finish, and you have a listing that is ready to go on Amazon, and it barely takes any time for you to get up and running. Now, obviously, this is just a quick guide on how to get your product listed on Amazon. If you want even more information, I do have a free 8-hour Amazon FBA course that you can get by clicking right here. It's a free YouTube video. I go in depth. I have like a 40-minute section about how to create a product listing in this video. So click on that video. I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.